day 35 of Path to Profitability. It is February 4th, 11:56 p.m. We are currently in Asian session, about to go to London in a couple hours. We didn't trade today in New York. Why? Because there were high impact news and we don't like trading on news. But comparing to the pre-analysis that I made yesterday, yes, on London session, gold consolidated. It didn't move pretty much at all. It just hit a couple of Asian lows, but other than that, it stayed static. And then it was a New York session where we're gonna be expecting some movement, right? The prediction was that it was gonna keep going on the uptrend that it's been going on since it last dropped, but it didn't. Why it didn't, who knows? But on pre-market New York, the manipulation showed a bearish trend. So on the 8-hour candlestick, we can definitely see a big drop on gold. And had we traded and been up for that, we could have most definitely, on hindsight, it's a lot easier to say this strategy. Who knows on the real deal? But on hindsight, if we had stayed and looked at the trade, we could have waited for the first candle of confirmation that would have broken some structure, taken out Asian lows, and then it definitely did take, it went all the way down to take some previous day lows. So it's the area of liquidity where it dropped, and then after that we could have bought and set up a TP, but that take profit, it could have been like equilibrium or fair value gap, in which right now after that it dropped all the way down again and took out some other lows on previous days. What would that be? That's on Asian session again, and right now it's going on an uptrend. But the way it seems is that on London session is gonna drop again or consolidate to move to an uptrend. But that would be comparing it to a higher time frame. But yeah, I think on a high time frame we can see that this is kind of like the, what's the word? Not consolidation necessarily, just like there's some resistance in the price. But I mean, being gold, the asset that it is, it should keep the uptrend going. And then on a smaller time frame, we could have definitely taken some trades, not off the manipulation, or probably I could start the way it seems like nah, not too much. But okay, so that's how it went today. For tomorrow, well, we are waiting, expecting to actually be on the charts at the time and stick through it, see how it moves, see if we can actually take a trade. And kind of like a pre-analysis, tomorrow is going to be Thursday. Most likely it will have some consolidation on London session and then dip on New York manipulation. Either dip or go bearish, of course, either way. But London will be consolidating, and then the real movement is going to be on New York and Asian, and that's what we're going to be looking for. Right now, on a smaller time frame, it shows that it's going to be on a downtrend, but we'll see how that reacts.